In today's video, I swap 2 wheels for 4 and head into the Victorian High Country. We'll be tackling some steep tracks to reach some awesome locations, so come along for the drive. Hey guys, back with another video. Not your typical kind of video on this channel because it's 4 wheels instead of 2 wheels, but this is my new to me 2011 Hilux and we're heading into the high country. First time I've ever taken a car proper off-roading. I've been in Fabian's Hilux before, but yeah, this is my baby now, and we're at 15 Mile Hut, but the plan is to go up to Mount Terrible today, so don't know how challenging that's going to be. I've been up it on the bike and it was a bit of a struggle, but we'll see how we go. All right, this is the 15 Mile Hut, and this is a beautiful location to come camping. You can see people have left firewood. You've got chairs in here. It's nice and cozy. I can imagine in winter, you'd love staying in here when it's snowing outside. And you've even got a river right next to you, or a little creek. It's so peaceful. All right, guys, we're on Bull Range Road. Got Fabian up ahead, and we're still in 4 high, so we haven't dropped down to 4 low yet, but we've got some beautiful views out to the high country. Camera probably doesn't pick it up, but she's getting a bit pumpy. But yeah, I don't know how technical this track is. I don't really know how to judge it in a 4-wheel drive, so I'm trusting Fabian to get us through it. So we'll see how this goes. It's quite bumpy. You can see how bumpy it is with the air freshener bumping around. Yeah. Alrighty. Alright.
Nah, not at all. Just keep it in first gear.
Alright. First hill climb, guys.
Let's give it constant throttle.
GoPro probably makes it look like nothing, but it feels cool. That was nothing. Easy. Alrighty. Well, it's kind of scary when you can't see over the dash. All good, mate.
Yeah, the car will just keep going, trust.
I'm nervous.
How was that?
That's good. All right, guys, we're climbing uphill. I'm in low range, which feels insane. It just feels like you got so much torque, so much traction, and Hilux is doing pretty well. It's no lockers, but don't think you need them. Yeah, all good. Hilux is going well.
It just bloody climbs, doesn't it?
Yeah. But yeah, the Hilux is feeling good, so hopefully it stays that way. Massive washouts, but we do have a 2-inch lift, so we got the clearance. I think they're 31-inch tires. I have no idea like what's good, what's not, but it feels good. We're getting up the hill. It's very steep. Oh, brushed a little bit there. But yeah, Hilux going well. Alright guys, we're here. We've made it to Mount Terrible Track. So we survived that first portion. Hilux is doing well, a bit dirty. Some bikes, very popular biking, motorcycling road. But yeah, we're here at Mount Terrible Track. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, we've taken off onto Mount Terrible Track. So we'll see. Bit nervous, but I think we should be alright. We're in plenty capable vehicles. Probably should give him some distance though. Don't want him to come barreling down the hill. Whoa.
Oh.
Alright, this is definitely more technical than anything we did. It's quite rocky, but nice and steady. Very rocky.
Choosing the right line is always key as well.
Yeah, that's what I gotta learn, but I'm gonna stay off comms and concentrate here. I can feel the traction. It kind of reminds me of dirt bike riding. You can feel when it's starting to slip. Yeah, I don't know whether to be in first or second here, low range. If I'm going first, I'm revving it higher, which maybe that causes traction loss, but it just feels really good to climb in first. So I'll probably stick in that. Little bit of wheel spin, but overall it's hooking up well. We're running all-terrain tires, and yeah, seem to be doing well. Don't know if the left line was easier, but we're going up the hard line. Slow and steady wins the race. Whoa. It's a weird feeling doing this in a car after having done it on a motorcycle so often. Hold on, Ashley. Shit, which is straight? I'm just going straight.
What do you think?
That was awesome. That was actually a lot of fun. Whew. Guys, we're a kilometre out from the hut and it has gotten super rough. This is so rough, man. Holy crap. I think this would be difficult. I feel like this would be difficult on the bike.
Make sure you make it in one hit.
Alright, this has gotten really technical really quickly. This is not good. Oh, can I make it?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We got it, we got it, we got it.
Yeah.
Oh, she's spinning a bit.
Yeah.
This is a lot more technical than I thought today's drive was going to be. But we're near the top, the views are looking awesome. Slowly getting up. This is way more technical than I thought it was going to be. Alright, I think we survived the worst of it. I think we're near the top now.
We are 750 meters from the top.
Beautiful. The views are starting to look outstanding. Alright guys, we have made it. It's been a long time since I've been here. Made it, guys. What do you think, mate?
Not bad.
Pretty good. We slept in this hut a couple years ago, back in 2019. Been a long time, but beautiful views. Very nice. All right, guys, leaving Mount Terrible Hut. We had a nice lunch with amazing views, and we're gonna head down. We're gonna head down Newmans Track now. So it's a lot steeper, but less rocky than what we just did. All right, guys, Newmans Track is seriously steep. This is a little bit sketchy, in control, but it's just I'm not used to taking a car or a four-wheel drive down such a steep track. Again, the GoPro is not going to show how steep it is, but it is steep. And it's scary because you can't see over the washouts sometimes, so really just got to take it easy. Not technical driving, but it's a little bit, actually it's a little bit washed out and rocky here. But the Hilux is eating it up. It's so sketchy.
That was easy, yeah?
Yeah, it was a bit dodgy though. All right, guys, we finished up. We survived my first forward driving experience. Just airing up before we go home. But all in all, had some good fun. Now, did I enjoy it more than the off-road riding? Well, yet to see. But yeah, there's going to be all different types of stuff. Sport bikes, off-road, camping, dual sport adventures. So it's all happening on the channel. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.